people and welcome. Today we are broadcasting from Cobanrondo
Cobanrondo
Malang waterfall.
Here is so we will go to waterfall to see the waterfall here.
Yes.
Okay, check it out.
That way. So we're here already. We're only about 150 meters up the pathway. If you look over here, you'll see the water running down here. But guess what's behind us? The main event. Show, huh? Wow, it goes so high. All the way to the top. See that? That would be at least 60 meters tall. 60 meters high from the top to where it drops to the bottom. We'll come closer. Come on. Okay, so here we're even closer to the waterfall here. It's the main part to see in this whole, what is it called?
Waterfall Cobanrondo.
Yeah. So have a look. Come closer. Oh, it's also so cool because we're near the water. You feel the water coming down in little drops, and it's like air conditioning, isn't it?
Yee!
Can you hear it? You must be able to hear it too, yeah? We're not here alone today, got many fans. Matthew Delita. So I hope you enjoy the view and the sound, but you can't feel it, but I can feel it for you, yeah? Beautiful. Now stay, I want you to say.
We're already so close with the waterfall behind us. So cool here.
Air conditioning, free air conditioning after you pay for to come in here. Wow. Just go dip your foot in the water. Just over here. We've taken a bit of a dip in the flowing water here. I'm finding a little bit with my long shorts, as you can see. I don't mind. So we're here together, loving the beautiful spectacle of the waterfall.
The water especially is cool today. It's not today, just every day is cool like this.
Very good.
So nice, huh?
So I definitely recommend you coming here. It's on the way to Malang. Probably about 20 minutes away from the main city, but we'll continue on soon. But we hope you enjoyed this. Okay everyone, so we're going to head back now. The waterfall is now behind us. We'll keep walking this way, heading back to the car, and we'll continue our travels for today.
Ta-da!
We're here at the souvenir shop area here. And look who's here. You see my wife.